video features this requested makeup look that a lot of you want to see from my Snapchat with the blue under eyes and the neutral lid. A couple products that I used was by Profusion Cosmetics and Makeup Revolution in London. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look, please keep watching. Okay, so I already primed my lid using the Milani eyeshadow primer in the shade Nude. As you know, that is one holy grail product that never gets old. So if you want that, make sure to check that out in the description bar below. So this is one of my simplest makeup looks yet. The lashes I'll be wearing for today is, of course, 3D mink lashes, but this is in L28. Again, if you have any mink lashes or any lashes at all in your makeup collection, you can use that. I'm going to pop these bad boys on and I'll be right back at you with the lips. I only am going to use one product for today, and that is this Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream, and this is the shade Less Toast. This is another holy grail product. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. Also, do not forget to click on that notification bell so that way you're on the alert as to when my videos are out. Also, too, my condolences goes out to George Floyd and his family. If you'd like to donate to the cause regarding George Floyd, you may be sure to check out the description bar below for his family's GoFundMe page. That is all I have for now. Please be sure to check out the previous video in the next section that is coming up next. I'll see you there. Bye!